Hi everybody, how you doing? It's me again. Welcome to our kitchen. Today we're going to make a Swedish cheese pie by Vasterbottens, it's called. They're sponsoring of today's show. We're starting with the pie form. So for that you need 125 grams of room temperature unsalted butter, 2 deciliters of flour, plain flour, and about a big pinch of sea salt flakes. Gonna mix this together to a nice lovely dough. So we're now going to do the filling. So for that we're using 300 grams of Vasterbottens cheese. It tastes a bit like a mature, extra mature cheddar. Grated nicely, 300 grams. We picked some fresh wild garlic from our front garden. So taking a little bit of that, chopped up. Some porcini mushrooms, which we're going to fry up, a little bit of butter and some salt and pepper. We need 3 eggs. 2.5 deciliter of double cream and 1 deciliter of milk. So what we're going to do, we're going to mix all that together and then we're going to fill the pie form with that, and it goes into the oven for about 25 minutes and it's going to be delicious. Pie base is ready. We put some parchment paper in between the pie and the ceramic beans into the oven, 10 to 15 minutes, 200 degrees. Let's go. Right, so whilst the pie is in the oven, we're going to start preparing the filling, starting off with 3 eggs. We've got some really nice Burford eggs here, which are delicious. We're adding 1 deciliter of normal organic milk and 2.5 deciliters of double cream. And of course seasoning, fresh black pepper, and of course some magic salt. This is sea salt flakes, so don't worry about it. It's all about the flavors. So the egg cream, salt, pepper and the milk mix is done. Chucking in some nice fresh wild garlic, our fried porcini mushrooms, and then of course the cheese. Let me give that a really nice good stir. Cooked, got a nice beautiful color to it, and the ceramic beans, the reason we put parchment paper is just to make sure they don't stick in the mouth. Right, so let's get the filling in, and then when that is done, spread it out evenly. We're back into the oven, 180 degrees for 20 to 25 minutes. You will see when the filling is set, and it's got a nice wonderful golden color to it. Right guys, it smells absolutely wonderful in the kitchen. It just tells me that the pie is ready. Oh, look at that. There we go. is delicious.